In the golden light of dawn, we reveal a world-class urea fertilizer facility, a marvel of modern engineering dedicated to sustainable global food production. Safety is our core value. Every day begins with commitment. Diverse teams equipping premium PPE, ready to uphold over 900 days incident-free. In our Sustainability Command Center, real-time data shows 96% water recycling, 45% renewable energy, and a clear path to carbon neutral by 2030. From this elevated view, witness perfect synchronization, towering reactors, gleaming pipelines, and a confident workforce driving 98% efficiency. Raw materials arrive with precision, cryogenic ammonia and CO2 delivered under strict safety protocols, ready for transformation. Quality begins here. Advanced analysis confirms 99.99% purity. Every batch approved before entering the heart of production. At 190 degrees and 150 bars, ammonia and CO2 react in our high-pressure synthesis reactor, the birthplace of urea. The concentrated solution flows smoothly through transparent pipelines, monitored constantly as it moves toward final formation. In vacuum evaporators, water is gently removed, creating pure molten urea, ready for its dramatic transformation. Advanced scrubbers capture over 99% of emissions, ensuring clean air and full recovery in our eco-conscious design. Inside the Majestic 150-meter Prilling tower, molten urea is sprayed, cooling mid-air into perfect, sparkling white spheres. At the tower base, thousands of pristine prills collect in shimmering flow, the iconic form of modern urea fertilizer. Fluidized bed coolers gently reduce temperature, delivering prills at perfect ambient conditions for handling. Precise screening ensures uniform size. Only perfect 2 to 4 millimeter prills continue forward. Regular emergency drills reinforce our zero-harm culture. Every team member trained and prepared. In extreme slow motion, witness the magic, a single droplet crystallizing into a flawless spherical prill. Like a mesmerizing white waterfall, prills cascade in perfect harmony. Nature and engineering united, a protective coating is applied, ensuring prills remain free-flowing even in humid conditions. Comprehensive laboratory testing confirms 46% nitrogen content with minimal biuret world-class quality assured.
Confirm 46% nitrogen content. Remember to follow ISO 9001 safety protocols in Zone 3.
Every batch receives its official certificate of analysis, complete with blockchain traceability.
The signature is verified on the blockchain.
Our people are our strength, diverse, skilled team celebrating safety milestones with genuine pride.
It proves the effectiveness of our new...
Massive silos hold thousands of tons of pristine prills, ready for packaging and worldwide distribution. Automated lines fill 50-kilogram bags with exact precision, dust-free, and perfectly sealed. 1-ton big bags are filled for bulk customers, maintaining the same uncompromising quality standards. Robotic arms stack bags into perfect pallet layers.
It's stacking within
efficiency
tolerance.
and precision at every step.
Check the tension up top, it looks a little light.
Adjusted. We're good to go.
Secure stretch wrapping protects each pallet, ensuring safe transport across the globe. High-resolution labeling and blockchain QR codes provide complete end-to-end traceability. Organized warehouse storage keeps inventory pristine, ready for immediate dispatch. Electric forklifts load trucks with wrapped pallets, beginning the journey to farmers worldwide.
Watch your clearance.
Stacker 1, you are clear to lower the 40-foot container to position Alpha. Confirm
At
receipt.
port, containers are carefully positioned, preparing for ocean voyage to international markets.
But check the strapping on the third row.
Roger that.
Pallets are arranged inside containers for optimal stability and ventilation during transit. Heavy-duty straps are tensioned and verified, ensuring load security across thousands of miles. Final checks confirm perfect arrangement, 28 tons of premium urea ready for export. Container doors close securely, High security seals applied for customs compliance. Electronic GPS seals add another layer of protection and real-time tracking capability. For bulk export, massive conveyors load prills directly into ships' holds with precision. Inside the hold, white prills flow evenly, creating a perfect trim for safe sailing. Hatches lower and lock, completing loading of another vessel bound for global agriculture. From this facility, Urea reaches farms across continents, supporting food security worldwide. Every prill represents precision engineering and sustainable commitment to feeding our growing planet. On the farm, Urea prills deliver essential nitrogen, boosting crop yields sustainably. Our R&D teams pioneer next-generation. 45% of our energy now comes from renewables, solar and wind powering cleaner production. Advanced water treatment achieves 96% recycling, minimizing environmental footprint. Carbon reduction initiatives drive us toward neutrality, innovation for tomorrow. Zero waste to landfill, every byproduct recycled in our circular economy model. Our people celebrate 1,200 days incident-free. Safety is truly our way of life. From factory to field, we partner
The reuse
with
rate
farmers
is holding
to
steady
The
at
future is green
96%.
ammonia
Good.
and carbon
Let's
capture.
check the filtration
Building
logs for the
tomorrow's
last
sustainable
hour.
urea.
Milestone achieved. We are on track for 2030.
Fantastic news. Well done, team.
The circular economy metrics are holding steady at 100% efficiency.
And emissions remain optimal across the board.
Congratulations on achieving 1,200 incident-free days. This award recognizes your outstanding commitment to safety. Here are the bags for the new season.
Thank you. We really appreciate the help.
The carbon capture integration here is key.
Absolutely, it brings us to net zero for the urea process.
This is modern urea production, precision, safety, sustainability. Feeding the world responsibly.